Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, friends. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I am Sailesh Fulsunge, father of a super boy, hotelier with 32 years of experience, Amazon #1 bestseller, a steward transformed into a managing director, founder of Melon Hospitality Private Limited. We have been discussing in various of my videos. We spoke about various hotel owners. We spoke about various, hotel owners. Under the topic hotel owners, there were 8 different types of hotel owners. Right? We discussed all the different types of hotel owners. We are talking about consultants, hotel consultants now. I have already shared 4 different types of hotel consultants. Subtopics rather. Architect brief we have discussed. We have discussed owner's mindset. We have discussed right people in right place. And consultants are savers, not spenders. That was my last subtopic on under the consultants thing. Today we are going to discuss about importance of consultants. It is so important to know the importance of consultants, especially the hotel owners. They should know how effective it is to have the consultants hired when you get a thought of doing a hotel project. Hotels or hotel projects are like kids without parents. If you don't have a right parent or a right mentor, they go helter skelter. And this has been observed by me from past at least more than a decade, 17 years. I've been doing hotel projects and meeting hotel owners. So hotel owners should ensure that hiring a consultant will only benefit them. You can also simultaneously or optionally have a hotel brand. Hotel brand gives you technical services as well. If they are going to operate and you have taken a hotel brand as a technical service provider, he will definitely guide you and take you to a good level and make your hotel a brand compliant hotel. Most of the times what happens is owners, they have their own past experiences and they try to put in their past experiences. However, most of them are not hoteliers. Whatever experiences they have in various other fields, they try to put in that experience, and they think that hotel project or hotel operations is a cakewalk. It is not that easy. It is a technical subject and technical people should be around. Even after the hoteliers hire a consultant or an operator who is doing a technical service or who is guiding them technically, most of the owners fail to listen to them. My dear friends, if you are not listening to a mentor who has been hired by you only, then it's your loss. Why are you not understanding that if somebody is being paid by you, you need to listen to him. He is talking from his experience. He understands the subject better than you. So better better listen to him and just do what he's trying to tell you, or what he wants to do it on the project, right? So never get into unnecessary arguments and create a problem for yourself. Why I'm telling is this is my personal experience, and most of the times we as consultants or we as hoteliers, we feel that we see there's a damage which is going to happen, and we have to just leave it because the other side is not willing to listen to us. So there are, at times when you do a project, there are a lot of project delays due to technicalities. Why the delays happen? Because the subject is not known by the owner. Major cause. Second cause is shortage of funds, or funds are overutilized. This also happens because the concerned owner is not aware or has not planned how to utilize the funds, or doesn't know how to do the things in the right way. Third is planning and execution. So all these, there is a combination of all these factors which actually stops the owner from doing better things. Once again, I am Sailesh Fulsunge, father of a super boy, hotelier with 32 years of experience, Amazon #1 best-selling author, a steward transformed into a managing director, founder of Melon Hospitality Private Limited. Signing off. I'll be with my next video on erase your myth. That is a fantastic topic. Erase your myth. Don't miss this topic. I'll be coming up in my next video. Till then, if you have liked my video, like it, share it to your colleagues. They will also learn. Subscribe to my channel. Click the bell button and be connected. I'll be posting lots and lots of information and videos on various topics. Till then, see you. Stay happy, stay smiling. Thank you.